Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and you're watching Filmy Beat. As we all know, Rangoon movie has been released and here's the quick review of the movie. Firstly, I would like to talk about the iconic moment of the movie. Kangana Ranaut tries to strike a conversation with a Japanese soldier despite the language barrier. Another one is a camera-tight shot of the actress when she's speaking of love, desire and heartbreak. Now I'm going to explain you about the plot. The year is 1943. The British are fighting Hitler. On the other hand, the people of India are caught between the ideologies of Gandhiji's Ahimsa and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Indian National Army, which believes in killing the enemy rather than dying at their hands. Amidst this war-torn, bloodshed and revolutionary chaos, closer home, there is Miss Julia, which is being played by Kangana Ranaut, the daredevil actress from the 40s who swings from chandeliers, runs across tops of the trains and makes people crazy each time she goes bloody hell. Besotted by her the Parsi boy, Rusi Bilamoria, which is being played by Saif Ali Khan, an action hero turned movie producer with a crumbling marriage. Julia is Rusi's muse, whom he lovingly calls Kiddo, and a darling of the masses. Soon, the British army persuades Rusi to send Julia to Burma to cheer the troops at war at the Indo-Burma border. The young girl is whisked off in a train under the protection of Jamadar Nawab Malik, which is being played by Shahid Kapoor. In a turn of events, Julia and Nawab are cast adrift and must fight against all the odds to reach back in India. In the course of their journey, the duo indulge in some steamy affair when Rusi comes back into the picture. What will happen if he gets a whiff of their worldwide romance? Is Nawab Malik really who he seems to be? Talking about the direction, after the impressive Heather in 2014, Vishal Bhardwaj is back with yet another tale. But this time, there is no Shakespearean adaptation, nor is there any plenty of metaphors and symbolism. He keeps it simple, or should I say it spells out for us. Rangoon is an ambitious film with a stellar cast. Unfortunately, it's the dangling plot that makes it fall short of spectacle. The film scores less on emotions and at times the narrative goes tedious. The characters face a change of heart at several junctures, but it just isn't convincing enough to feel for them, unlike his previous films like Heather, Omkara and Maqbool. Talking about the performances, Kangana Ranaut is the star attraction of Rangoon. Be it her feisty masked whiplashing avatar as Jagrati Julia on screen or wearing her insecurity and vulnerability on the sleeves once the camera goes off in Julia's land, the coming of the age of her character makes up for a lovely watch. Shahid Kapoor as a reclusive soldier doesn't get much to venture into the emotional territory. However, he holds on his own and shares a raw chemistry with Miss Ranaut. Saif Ali Khan as the pompous producer displays a fine sense of aristocracy and manages to leave a mark even in his limited screen presence. Talking about the music, the songs like Ye Ishq Hai and Tippa stand out in the film and are hummable. Mere Miyan Gaye England has nothing new to offer. Alvida makes up a good listen. Well, I would say Rangoon is definitely not one of Vishal Bhardwaj's best works, but this one needs to be viewed solely for Kangana's Jabaz act that wins over your heart. So I would give this movie 2.5 beats out of 5. That's all in this video. If you've liked it, please hit like, comment and share. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.